there. I went to.
That's the big boy. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm guessing that's a
Fuse popped off.
Fuse popped off.
That's all right. There's more to come. Probably about 10 seconds more on this one, maybe. We have ignition. Was that the one you doubled up? Yeah. Nice.
Air class is going to go across that way. Wow, it looks like a lot of flame down at
That's
the
the
bottom.
fuse. It's all fuse.
I know, but I mean,
Oh.
is it supposed to be that much?
Yeah, well, in that case right there, there's like 4 pieces together.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Whoa.
Yeehaw.
Wow.
Pretty high. This is the stuff we didn't fire last night.
Yeah, there was something to go off, and so was the fire going. Yeah, they sure missed a lot yesterday.
Forgot what the pieces were even on there anymore. We got some new ones too.
Is the one that Stephen and Brenda brought with them? Is
That,
on
no, we
this?
did that last night. That was an
Last
excellent
night?
piece.
I can do it.
Very good.
I like oh my. Deb, did I hear you call him cute? Cute.
Yeah, that was part of that whole board, man.
That was that.
That was that third board, or
Yeah, there was a lot that didn't go off last
see,
night.
as you can see, you know, paper fuses aren't so bad after all.
You just got to tie them up right and lay them out. Be careful, not let them get wet. You know, you got to do it like right
Yeah.
before
Right,
the show.
exactly right. Wow, that's high.
Wow.
Now there's more.
But wait,
No, wait, there's more.
just pay the shipping and handling.
Like a Joker's hat. Joker that entertains you.
Very nice. I
Yeah,
think
that's
that's the one we got today, Johnny.
It is.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
the
that's
one that
something
they
in the
could show
tree.
us.
No, that was the very. Uh-oh, in the trees. Dang. Was that last one?
That's the last one. That's that.
The one that,
Yeah, I don't see
yeah,
no
the
flame.
sea breeze. Or, all right, another good
Yeah,